Hello, shorthand learners. Welcome to my channel. I am Tutor Team, and this is the part 2 of Lesson 1. And kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung part 1 ng Lesson 1, you may click the link sa description box. And before we start, please like and subscribe. So last time, I already discussed the strokes for the sounds of A, E, N, and M, right? Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss the sounds of T and D, okay, or ta and da. The T is a short, slanting, straight line, like this one, like what you see on the right side of the slide. So this is the stroke of T, okay? And the D is a long, slanting, straight line like this one, okay? So as you notice, mas maikli yung line ng T. At hindi naman, mas mahaba siya, okay? So, don't be confused between these two. So, importante na kapag nagsusulat tayo ng stroke, clear yung pagkakasulat ng stroke para hindi tayo ma-confuse if babasahin natin yung strokes na isinulat natin, okay? These are the T and D words. Okay, so if you remember sa part 1 ng video natin, pinakinggan muna natin yung sound na maririnig natin sa word bago natin siya isulat, right? Okay, so like this one, they. Okay, they. Let's hear the word first, they. Ano yung naririnig nyo na sound? It is D, right? They. D. And what is the next one? They. Okay, so the next one is A, right? They. The and A is they. Okay, so how do we write this in shorthand? First, what is the stroke of D again, or the sound? It is long slanting line, right? Like this one, D. And then, what is the stroke for A sound? It is large circle, right? So we will write it like this one, D and A. Okay, so how about the next one? Date. Date. Again, you will listen to sound first. Okay, anong maririnig mo sa word na date? Anong sound? It is D, the, they. Okay, next one is A. So, ano yung kulang? Date. Okay, it is the letter T, right? Date. Okay, and how do we write this one? Okay, so we will write it as the, A, and T. So, the stroke of this one is the long slanting line, and A is large circle, and T is yung short na slanting line, which is this one. So we will write it as date, date. Okay, so same as this one, did, did. It is D, E, D. Okay, did. So, pinakinggan lang natin yung sound na maririnig natin sa word, and we will write it here first, okay? And how do we write it in shorthand? First, what is the stroke of D again? It is long slanting line, E, which is small circle, and D. Okay, so parang ganyan siya kapag sinulat. How about made? Made. Okay, so we will write it like this one. M, A, D. M, A, D. Okay, how about mate? M, A, T. Okay, and how do we write this? M, A, T. Okay, and meet, M, E, T, meet. And how do we write this? We will write it like this one. M-E-T. Okay. How about the word T? It is T and E, right? Okay, and how do we write this? T and E. Okay, T, this is the T, and this is E, yung small circle. How about eat? Eat. So E and T, eat. And how do we write this? You will write first E and T. E and T. So you will read this as eat. Okay, how about team? Team. T, E, and M. Team. So you will write this, or you will write it as T, E, and M. T, E, and M. Team. How about tame? T, A, and M. Tame. Okay, because the sound of this is A, right? A, tame. Okay, and you will write it as T, A, M. T is this one, A is this one, and M is this one. Okay, so T, A, M. How about 8? A and T. 8. Okay, and how do we write this one? First is A, big circle, and T, the short slanting line. So when we combine them together, it will look like this, and we will read this as 8. 8. Okay, how about aid? Aid. Okay, as you notice, halos pareho lang sila ng stroke, right? Pero mas mahaba ito kasi letter D yung sound sa huli. Unlike dito na T ang last sound na maririnig. Okay? So you may write this on your paper for your reference later. Okay? So now we are going to have a short quiz if you remember the strokes of the words earlier. Okay, are you ready? So you may prepare your paper and your pen to answer the following. First one is tame. Tame. Second one is eat. Eat. Third one is date. Date. Next one is meet. Meet. Okay, so merong dalawang spelling for this one, right? The M-E-E-T and M-E-A-T. And next one is day. Day. Okay, so here, if you are done answering, you may check our previous slide to check if your answers are correct. Okay, so congratulations if you got a perfect score. Pero kung hindi, you may practice. You may still study more para mas ma-familiarize kayo sa strokes ng mga word na pinag-aralan natin. Okay? So let us now proceed to T and D practice. So here, you may comment your answers sa comment box and pipili ako ng a random na nag-comment to check the answers. Okay? So the 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. Kung masyado ba siyang mabilis, you may pause the video and answer the following exercises. Okay, once you're done, we will now proceed to punctuation and paragraph symbols. Okay, so ito, medyo confusing siya gamitin, right? Because Hindi ito yung usual na punctuation na ginagamit natin kapag nagko-construct tayo ng normal na sentence or paragraph. Okay? So here, merong kagaya dito sa period, meron siyang corresponding stroke because hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung period kasi sa shorthand, ang meaning ng period is it can be H or ing, word ending ing. Okay, so we will tackle that later. Kaya merong mga symbols na hindi kagaya sa usual nating nakikita sa sentences. Okay? So I will discuss it to you one by one para ma-familiarize kayo. Okay? So here, the most common punctuation that we are using is period, right? So here, sa shorthand, ang stroke for period is this one. Okay, para siyang slant na line, pero pag ganito yung itsura, okay? So kapag sinulat mo siya, example dito, punctuation and paragraph symbols. And lalagyan mo ng period, you will write it like this, okay? So maliit lang siya dito, hindi mo siya ilalagay like that. Okay, you will just write it like this one. Okay. So next one is question mark. Siguro nagtataka kayo kung bakit hindi siya ganun. Okay, ako din medyo confused. Pero I think they use this instead because mas madali siguro siyang tandaan. Or mas madali rin tandaan yung ganun. Syempre, doon tayo nasanay. Okay, but we will just follow this one because ito yung nakalagay sa book. So, alam naman natin na kapag question mark, gumagamit tayo nito kapag nag-a-ask tayo ng question. Question mark, ang symbol na gagamitin natin ay X, like the X symbol, okay? So, kagaya sa period, you will also write it like this. So, maliit lang siya na X. Same as sa paragraph. Okay, so here sa paragraph, meron akong tip sa inyo about sa paragraph. So here, kapag gagawa ka ng sentence or paragraph and you will be using this one, dito nyo idudugtong yung sunod na paragraph. Example, nagtatapos yung unang paragraph sa me. So ito yung me, right? Okay, sorry for my stroke, but let me repeat it again. Straight line and E. Okay, example, yan yung me. Diyan nagtatapos yung paragraph. No need to put period here. You will just need to put paragraph because ang goal ng shorthand ay mapadali yung pagsusulat natin. So, no need to put period. Understood na yun na period yung kasunod niya kasi meron siyang paragraph. And then, instead na ilagay mo dito yung susunod na stroke, you will just put it beside the paragraph symbol. Kasi, understood na mag-jump ka na sa next paragraph kasi meron siyang paragraph symbol, okay? So, example, we will write here the word they. Dito mo na lang siya ilalagay sa katabi ng paragraph na symbol. Okay, so if you have any question, you may leave a comment sa ating comment box and I will answer your questions. Next one, let us proceed to comma. Okay, so this is the stroke of comma. So meron siyang comma and then may circle. Okay, ganun din sa semicolon. Semicolon siya pero may circle. Sa colon naman, may colon pero may circle. Always remember that. Don't forget to put circle here, lalo na dito sa comma because meron siyang katumbas na stroke sa shorthand. Itong comma, it is S or Z sound. Kapag di mo siya nilagyan ng circle, pwedeng mabasa mo siya as S or Z. Okay, so it is important to put a circle here sa comma. Dito naman sa hyphen, it is like equal sign. Okay, and sa dash, mas mahabang equal sign. Okay, sa exclamation point, kagaya lang din siya sa usual na symbol na nakikita natin. Like this one. Left parenthesis naman, left parenthesis din siya pero lalagyan mo lang siya ng line sa gitna. Same as the right parenthesis. Right parenthesis din siya pero lalagyan mo lang ng line sa gitna. Another tip ko sa inyo, tuwing may ma-encounter kayo na bagong strokes, you may write it on your paper, you may paste it on your wall. And every night, that's what I am doing before, okay? Every night, ididikit ko siya sa room ko, tapos before I sleep, I will read it. Hanggang sa familiar na ako sa mga strokes. You may also do it para mas mabilis kayo ma-familiarize sa strokes. Okay, and now, let us proceed to capitalize words. Okay, so dito, madali lang naman siya. Again, gumagamit tayo ng capitalized words kapag proper noun. So, alam naman natin na kapag proper noun ay yung mga specific, it can be name, place, animals, things, and etc. Dito, gagamit tayo ng capitalized words. So we have an example here. These are the names, some of the names. As you can see, these are all proper noun. So makikita nyo capitalized yung umpisa ng mga letter nila. So dito, kapag magsusulat tayo ng capitalized words sa shorthand, lalagyan natin siya ng slanting line na dalawa like this one. Example, May. So again, what are the sounds that you can hear? It is M, right? May. M and A. May. Okay, so pag ganito lang nilagay mo, maliit lang siya na May. Okay, like that. Pero, kung sinulat mo yung M and A with dalawang slanting line na upward, okay, you will put it as may na-capitalize word. Okay, like this one. Okay, so did you get it? Also, ganun din sa Dean, Amy, and Nate. Okay, so, importante yung capitalized words, especially merong mga salita na example, kagaya na lang dito sa May and May. Merong word na ganito, right? Yung maliit na May. And meron din yung May na name or date. It can be name or date. So that's why it is important to put a symbol para sa capitalized words. There are some punctuation and capitalization practice here. You may comment your answers sa comment box, and again, pipili ako ng viewers natin na nag-comment and I will check the answers. So you may pause this video to answer this one, this exercise. So dito medyo marami ng shorthand strokes. Kaya medyo, if beginner ka pa lang sa shorthand, medyo matatagalan ka magsagot. But please try not to cheat, okay? I know you can answer this one kahit matagal. That ends our lesson for today. In our next vlog, we will be continuing in lesson 2, and I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa video na to, and I will see you again on my next vlog. Thank you!